Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sachin V. Bangale working as Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, GM Vedak College of Science, Tala. In the previous lectures, we have discussed about molecular orbital theory. Regarding this molecular orbital theory, I have basic information, that is the bonding molecular orbital and anti-bonding molecular orbital. In these presentations I am going to talk you some important points that are as follows. Here the heteronuclear diatomic molecules. What is the actual meaning of the heteronuclear diatomic molecule? Basic informations of molecular orbital theory. Examples of molecular orbital diagram: C carbon monoxide, nitric oxide, HCl, bond order of these molecules, and lastly basic theory of molecular orbital diagrams. Now first of all, what is a heteronuclear diatomic molecule? What is the actual definitions of the heteronuclear diatomic molecule? Heteronuclear diatomic molecules are the substance composed of two atoms of two different chemical elements bonded to each other via a chemical bonds, and therefore the atoms of the heteronuclear diatomic molecules are different from each other. Now the best examples of the heteronuclear diatomic molecules: CO, NO, HCl, HF. These are the examples of the heteronuclear diatomic molecule, and that molecule, the molecular orbital diagrams are studied in this way. Then the shortly introduces the molecular orbital. The molecular orbital results from the combination of atomic orbitals. Since the orbitals are wave functions, they can combine either constructively, forming a bonding molecular orbital, or destructively, forming a antibonding molecular orbital. These 2 points are very important in the molecular orbital diagram. Constructively means the bonding molecular orbital, and destructively means the antibonding molecular orbital. Then the molecular orbital diagrams. Some points: electrons preferentially occupied molecular orbital that are lower in energy. The molecular orbital may be empty or contains one or two electrons. If two electrons occupy the same molecular orbital, they must be spin paired. When occupying the degenerate molecular orbital, electrons occupy separate orbitals with parallel spin before the pairing of the electron. Then, although molecular orbital form core electrons as well as valency electrons, many molecular orbital diagrams include only the valency level. Here, some of the examples. First example is the molecular orbitals of CO. That is, the name of the CO is carbon monoxide. In carbon monoxide, the molecular formula of the carbon monoxide is CO. In these molecules are the heteronuclear diatomic molecule. Here the carbon as a atomic number 6, the symbol C, electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Then oxygen atomic number 8, symbol O, electronic configuration for oxygen is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. The total number of electrons, 14 electrons present in the carbon monoxide molecule. Then this slide is a very important. In these slides, these are the molecular orbital diagrams of the CO molecule. Here in this diagram, see the diagram. Here the atomic orbitals of the carbon atom. Here is the atomic orbital of the oxygen atom, and these are the energy here in these diagrams. And here middle side, that is the molecular orbital of carbon monoxide of the molecule. These are the 2s energy level, these are the 2p energy level, and here the atomic orbitals of the carbon and here atomic orbitals of the carbon 2p orbital, and here the atomic orbitals of the oxygen, and here the atomic orbitals of the oxygen 2p level. Here the distribution of the electrons in the carbon and oxygen in the 2s level. Here these are the bonding molecular orbital and these are the anti-bonding molecular orbital. Sigma 2s, these are the paired electron, and sigma star 2s, that is the anti-bonding orbital. These bonding orbitals are fulfilled. Then 2p orbital, the distributions of electrons in the carbon and oxygen. Here pi 2py, pi 2pz, and pi sigma 2px. These are the bonding pairs of the electrons in the molecular orbitals of the CO molecule. All these are the bonding orbitals and these are the anti-bonding molecular orbital. Here in this diagram, the distributions of the electrons are bonding here, and here the bonding, and here the anti-bonding. And the molecular orbital diagrams of the carbon monoxides, the electronic configurations of sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, sigma 2p2, pi 2p2, pi 2p2, and total number of electrons present in the CO molecule is 14, and total valency electron in the carbon monoxide is 11. And here the bond order which can be studied by this bond order can be studied by using this formula, and we can calculate by using this formula 1/2 bonding electrons minus anti-bonding electrons. In molecular orbital diagram, here the total number of bonding electrons and total total electrons in the anti-bonding orbital. Here in this diagram, the bonding molecular orbitals are the 2 sigma, 1 pi x, 1 pi y, and 3 sigma, which gives 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is the 8 bonding electrons. Then anti-bonding molecular orbitals is the 2 sigma star, which gives 2 anti-bonding electrons. Hence, the bond order of the CO molecule is 1/2 bonding electrons minus anti-bonding electron, that is 8 minus 2 divided by 2. The bond order of the CO molecule is 3. In CO molecule, the molecular orbital diagram of the carbon monoxide is very similarly to that of molecular nitrogen. Carbon with 4 valency electrons and oxygen with 6 valency electrons together have the same number of electrons as a dinitrogen. Oxygen is more electronegative than carbon, so its orbitals are more highly stabilized and lower in energy than the carbon orbitals. Both of these molecules have 3 field bonding orbitals. There are also 2 orbitals that together are non-bonding. One of the non-bonding pair is closer in energy to the carbon atomic orbitals, and other is closer in energy to the oxygen atomic orbital. In carbon dioxide, the carbon 2s and 2pz orbital combines with 2 combinations orbitals O2x plus O2s and O2s minus O2s to make the 2 sigma bonding and 2 sigma antibonding orbital. The carbon 2px combines with the group's orbital O2px plus O2px, and then the 2py combines with the group orbital O2py plus O2py. This makes 2 pi bonding molecular orbital and 2 pi antibonding molecular orbitals. The remaining 4p orbital on the oxygen atoms are non-bonding molecular orbital. The second example, the molecular orbital of NO, that is the nitric oxide. The molecular formula of the nitric oxide is NO. These molecules are heteronuclear diatomic molecule. Here the nitrogen, the atomic number of nitrogen is 7, symbol N, electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Oxygen, the atomic number of oxygen is 8, symbol O, electronic configuration for the oxygen is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. The total number of electrons present in the NO molecule is 15 electrons. These are the molecular orbital diagrams of the NO molecule. Here, these are the atomic orbitals of the nitrogen atom. Here, the atomic orbitals of the oxygen atoms. And here, these are the molecular orbital diagrams of NO orbital. The distributions of the electrons of the N atoms and distributions of the electrons of the O atom. These are the energies, and here 2s and 2s orbital here, and here is the 2p orbital, and distributions of the electrons in the bonding molecular orbitals and antibonding molecular orbital in 2s orbital. The sigma 2s, the 2 electrons, and here sigma star 2s, that is the antibonding molecular orbitals, are 2 electrons. These orbitals are fulfilled. Then 2p orbitals in N atoms and O atoms. Here sigma 2p, pi 2p, these are the bonding molecular orbitals, and pi star 2p and sigma 2p star, these are the antibonding molecular orbital. In the molecular orbital diagrams, NO molecule, these are the bonding molecular orbitals. These 2 electrons, these 2 electrons, these 2 electrons, these 2 electrons, total 8 electrons in the bonding molecular orbitals, and all these are the paired in antibonding molecular orbital. Here sigma star 2s, 2 electrons, pi star 2p, 1 electron, and 3 electron, that is the antibonding molecular orbital. Here the electronic configurations of NO molecule: sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, sigma 2p2, pi 2p2, pi 2p2, and pi star 2s1. These are the electronic configurations of NO molecular orbital. Here the bond order, which can be calculated by using this formula. Bond order is equal to 1/2 bonding electrons minus antibonding electron. The bonding electrons of the molecular orbitals are sigma 2s2, sigma 2p2, pi 2p2, and here which gives 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is the 8 bonding electrons, and the antibonding molecular orbital is the sigma star 2s2, pi star 2s1, which gives 3 antibonding electron. See the diagram here, these 2 electrons and these 6 electrons, that total 8 electrons in the bonding molecular orbitals, and these 2 electrons and this 1 electron, total 3 as the antibonding molecular orbital. And the bond order of the NO molecule is 1/2 bonding electrons 8 and antibonding electrons 3, that is the 8 minus 3 divided by 2. The bond order is 2.5. In nitric oxide is an example of the heteronuclear diatomic molecule. The reactions of O2 and N2 at high temperature in the internal combustion engines from nitric oxide, which undergoes a complex reaction with O2 to produce NO2, which is responsible for the brown color we associate with air pollution. Recently, however, nitric oxide and also been recognized to be a vital biological messenger involving in the regulating blood pressure and long-term memory in mammalians, because NO has an odd number of valency electrons, that is the 5 from the nitrogen and 6 from the oxygen, and total 11 electrons. Its bonding and properties cannot be successfully explained by either the Lewi's electronic pair approach and valency band theory. The molecular orbital energy level diagrams for the NO show that the general pattern is similarly to that for the O2 molecule, because the 10 electrons are sufficient to fill all the bonding molecular orbitals derived from 2p atomic orbitals. Then the 11th electron must occupy one of the degenerate pi star orbital. The predicted bond order of NO is therefore 8 minus 3 divided by 2, 2.5. Then experimental data showing as NO bond length of 115 picometer and NO bond energy of 631 kilojoule per mole are consistent with this description. These values lies between those of the N2 and O2 molecules, which have triple and double bonds respectively. As we stated earlier, molecular orbital theory can therefore explain the bonding and bonding molecules with an odd number of electrons, such as NO, where Lewis electron structures cannot Then next example, that is the molecular orbitals of HCl molecule. In HCl molecule, these are also heteronuclear diatomic molecule. The hydrogen atomic number 1, symbol H, electronic configuration is 1s1. Here the chlorine atomic number 17, symbol Cl, electronic configuration for the chlorine is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. The total number of electrons in the HCl molecule 18 electrons. These are the molecular orbital diagrams of the HCl molecule. These are the hydrogen atom and these are the chlorine atom here, and these are the molecular orbital diagrams of the HCl molecule. And in these molecules we can explain deeply here. The molecular orbital theory is also able to explain the presence of lone pairs of electrons. Consider for example HCl molecule, whose Lewis electronic structure has 3 lone pairs of electrons on the chlorine atom, using the molecular orbital approach to describe the bonding in HCl. The 1s orbitals of the atomic hydrogen is closest in energy to the 3p orbitals of the chlorine. Consequently, the filled chlorine 3s atomic orbital is not involving in the bonding to any appreciable extent, and the only important interactions are those between the hydrogen 1s and chlorine 3p orbital. Of the 3p orbitals, only one designated as 3pz can interact with the hydrogen 1s orbital. Then 3px and 3py atomic orbitals have no net overlap with the 1s orbital on hydrogen, so they are not involving in the bonding because the energy of the Cl, 3s, 3px and 3py orbitals do not changes when HCl forms. They are called as non-bonding molecular orbital. A non-bonding molecular orbital occupied by a pair of electrons in the molecular orbital equivalent of the lone pairs of electrons. By definition, electrons in a non-bonding orbitals have no effect on bond order, so they are not counted in the calculations of the bond order. Molecular orbital energy level diagram for HCl. The hydrogen 1s atomic orbital interact mostly strongly with the 3pz orbital on chlorine, producing a bonding and antibonding pair of the molecular orbital. The other electrons of chlorines are best viewed as a non-bonding, and as a result of the bonding, sigma orbitals is occupied by electrons. And here the bond order of the HCl molecule, we can calculate the bonding electron minus the antibonding electron. The bonding molecular orbitals are 2 bonding electrons and antibonding molecular orbital is 0 antibonding electrons. Hence the bond order of the HCl molecule 1 half 2 minus 0, that is the 2 electrons in the bonding and 0 is antibonding. The bond order of the HCl molecule is 1. This is an molecular orbital diagrams of the CO, NO and HCl. Thank you very much.